And I have a challenge of creating a reference. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We are gonna open a blank document, and we are gonna go to this web page that's called Daxter's Physics for Kids. So I'm gonna go back so you can see how to search. So you put in Google Chrome, you put physics for kids simple machines. That's what you search. Physics for kids simple machines. Okay, physics for kids simple machines, and you're gonna get into the first result again. Physics for kids simple machines, and you get into physics for kids simple machines Daxter's. That's the first result. You click on it and this web page is gonna open. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy the title. Copy. Okay, copy the title and right click, copy. Okay, and I go to Word, right click, paste. Always the third option that has a little A. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna enter to make some space. I'm gonna go back to Google and I'm gonna copy just the first paragraph. Okay, this first part. Right click, copy. I go back to Word, right click, you paste it. Okay, so here we have, and I'm gonna with that, if you look in your keyboard, there's a key that's called suprimir. You just or backspace, the one for erasing, and you can press that and take all the blank spaces. Okay, so then I'm gonna select, okay, the title, which is this. I'm gonna go to the home menu. I'm gonna center here in paragraph. In home paragraph, I'm gonna center the title, and here in fonts in the home menu, I'm gonna bold it with this B here. Okay, and I'm gonna insert a footnote here. So physics for kids simple machines. So if I go to references, which is the author, I'm gonna do it in a footnote. So you insert a footnote, and the author is Daxter's education site. That's the author. So I insert a footnote. I go back here, my footnote, so I know, oh, something is going on with this one. I go here and I read that the author, you write author, 2 dots, oops, sorry, author, 2 dots with shift and the 2 dots in your keyboard. Okay, is Daxter's education site. So Daxter's education site. Okay, very good. We just used one of the functions of the reference menu. Okay, and we have this. Okay, we have lever. So I'm just gonna the subtitles, I'm just gonna select them and I'm gonna underline them. I'm gonna put 3 of them. Lever, and then I'm gonna put wheel and axle, and I'm gonna copy the paragraph. Right click, copy, go back, right click, paste. Okay, with the delete key or the backspace key, I delete the extra space. Sorry, I bolded, I need to underline it, and I'm gonna copy one more. So I have lever, wheel and axle, and pulley. These are simple machines. Okay, so I copy, I go back here, right click, the third option, paste. Again, delete or backspace to eliminate the extra space. Okay, so I have my page and I already copied the 3 first simple machines. Okay, what I'm gonna do is add a table of content or index at the beginning. Okay, so I go all the way to the top. Okay, and I'm just gonna insert. Okay, I go to insert all the way to the top. Okay, I put my cursor here on the very top of the page. I go to insert, page break, so that will allow me to put every information at the second page, and I keep my first page blank for my index. Okay, so then I'm gonna insert also a page number because I need to insert my index. Remember that the index is where you put where is the information, right? In what page. So I'm going to insert a page number at the bottom of the page and in the middle. So you see here our number 1 and number 2 because I have 2 pages, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to put each of these in one page. So lever is going to be on page 2, wheel of axle is going to be on page 3. So the same, I go here at the beginning of the word, I put insert, page break, and it's going to go all to the other page, and pulley, insert, page break, and it's going to go to the other page, okay? So I have 3 pages, 1 subtitle, 2 subtitles, and 3 subtitles, okay? So the first subtitle, I'm gonna add, okay, that table of contents so I can create my index. So I go to reference, I select the first title, and I add text, and this title is gonna be level 1 because I don't have another level for now, okay? So it's gonna be level 1, and I'm just assigning like that. The 3 titles are the same level. If this title had a subtitle, for example, types of lever, I'm making this up, okay? So you can learn how to do it. If this is a subtitle of this title, okay, I'm gonna go to home, I'm gonna underline it. I can select it, and I can put references, add text, and this could be level 2 because this subtitle is inside this one, okay? And then again, wheels and axles, add text, level 1 because it's on the same level of lever, okay? And then again, here I go, and pulley, add here references, add text, level 1, okay? And then I have level my 3 titles inside the topic of simple machines. So what do I do now? I go to the first page. Okay, I'm gonna go to the first page. I think I took the break page, so I'm just gonna enter on the keyboard, enter on the keyboard until this goes to the second page, okay? So here I have my index, I will write index, and where you want the table of contents to be inserted, you just put your cursor there, okay? So you already level three titles, lever, wheels and axle, and pulley, okay? Those are your 3 titles that you already selected for your index. So here in index, where you want to put it, you put the cursor, and references, table of contents, and you just pick one of these models. I'm gonna pick the automatic table 1, and automatically it's gonna number my content. So for example, lever is on page 2. If I go to lever, here lever is on page 2, okay? Types of lever is on page 2, right? So here references, lever is on page 2. And why do you think types of lever is a little bit on the right? Because it's inside lever, you see? That's why I put level 2. Wheels and axles and pulley are on the same level of lever, right? Because I labeled them as level 1. You see why it's important to add a level to each one of your titles? If it's a title by itself, you just put level 1. If it's inside a title, you put level 2. If this thing had something inside, I will put level 3. So in the table of contents or index, this will automatically be organized according to the pages. So that's why it's important to add a page before starting to create my table of contents. Okay, so about references, we learn how to insert a footnote. Remember, references, you put the cursor where you want the footnote and you insert the footnote. And then we learn how to create a table of contents, okay? Where you select the levels of your titles, 1, 2, and you add the text, you label them, and then in the first page you just insert the model of table of contents that you want, and you have your index. What's an index? Where it says what page is the content. So lever is in page 2, wheel and axle is in page 3, and pulley is in page 4. And we have finished our challenge for today. Remember to save your document, file, save as, browse, okay? And on this column you need to select the USB, remember? I don't have a USB, that's why it's not appearing here. But if you have a USB, it will appear disk E or disk F or your name over here if you name it. Since I don't have a USB, I'm just gonna save it in download. So I select the folder where I wanna save it. I'm gonna put my name, and this is what tab we're working on. References, right? References, and I save, and then I close my document, and over here in this little icon I remove my USB safely. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching.